In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate your drawing using UCS in your layout viewport, specifically in AutoCAD. One of the most common challenges users face is ensuring that their drawing is perfectly aligned and straightened when plotting it to a layout. This can be critical, especially if you are preparing professional documentation or need to present your work precisely and clearly. So let's walk through this straightforward process together. First, you need to navigate to your layout. The layout is where you set up your sheets for plotting, and it's crucial that everything appears as it should to properly convey your design intent. Once you're in the layout, your next step is to select the viewport. The viewport acts like a window into your drawing and allows you to control what part of the drawing is visible and how it is displayed. With the viewport selected, we now need to address the alignment issue, and for that, we'll make use of the UCS command. Type UCS into the command line. UCS stands for User Coordinate System, and it allows you to define and work with a custom coordinate system that can greatly streamline this process. Upon activating the UCS command, a set of instructions will prompt you at the command line, guiding you to align the UCS to your drawing. This can be done simply by using your mouse. Click to set the desired origin and rotate the UCS to align with the part of the drawing you want to be parallel to the layout. Once you've successfully aligned the UCS with your drawing, you're almost there. Now, type Plan into the command line and hit Enter. The Plan command, used in conjunction with the UCS, redefines the view of the drawing so that your current UCS aligns with the screen. When prompted, type Current and hit Enter again. This setting tells AutoCAD to use the coordinates and orientation you've just defined, effectively straightening your drawing within the layout. At this point, you'll see that your drawing is aligned straight with your layout, making it ready for the next steps, whether that's detailing it further, annotating, or proceeding to plot. And there you have it. This simple yet powerful technique ensures your drawings are ready to make the best impression. Mastering commands like UCS and Plan not only brings efficiency, but also enhances the professional quality of your presentation. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Keep creating and happy designing in AutoCAD.